Hi there, buddy. It's good to finally catch something. Oh, is he gonna play dead? Well, good morning, guys. This is Trapper Joe. I'm coming here to meet my cousin, or really a husband of my cousin's, and he came here to do some trapping on National Forest land. So he wants to catch some bobcat and coyote, probably some raccoon too, and probably fox, whatever else he catches. So we'll see what happens. So we are here setting some traps, and this countryside is so cool. Huge old rock there, and then we come back here and we have a huge rock ledge back here that we're going to set some traps at. Just look at that. It's like a rock wall. Time to go set a few more. All right, here we have Dale setting a dog-proof trap.
I'm just toggling off to this stick we got here.
And there's the second trap set. There's the first pile of coyote droppings right at the edge of the road. Making a coyote set. Digging out a hole. So you call this one a dirt hole?
Yep.
Very good.
I can get that to stick.
There's the coyote set. Way back here is the drag. Right in there. Alright, here's a little conibear and a dog proof right by the culvert. Here's coyote set number 2. Getting it lured up and baited up, and right up there is my trail camera. And here is a trail. You can see it's got tons of usage on the trail right down to the road. All right, we are here on this last set for coyote, is that right?
Coyote, bobcat.
Yeah.
So
I can't wait until tomorrow morning. Well, I have to go back to work, but Dale's gonna get to check some traps and see what we catch. Wow.
yeah, it's gonna be a blast.
What do you think it's gonna be?
I don't know what it's gonna be. It's a
Think we're
good
gonna
question.
Get 5 of them?
Possibly.
I don't know. We've set, I think this is number 15 here.
Okay, that's
15
amazing.
traps, so.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. So guys, we are out in the ice storm, and we are having a blast already. Hopefully we don't slide off the edge of this mountain. top. Back down we're going. Woo.
Guys, we are ice storm, ice storm. Trying to pull traps today.
Don't fall. Tire tracks are. Shows you just how icy it actually is. When you see the tire tracks with the ice, it's crazy. You can't really see it on the leaves. But we made it up this far, so. Well guys, I am plenty warm, even though it's so cold and icy up here. But I finally got a raincoat and a ton of other coats. But my gloves are sopping wet and the water is running down the road. But we were trying to get up to check these traps and pull them today. We're having a hard time getting to the top of the hill. Because ice keeps falling off the trees. Let me show you a little bit of this ice. You see it right there. See how much ice is building up on these branches? If you break it, it just falls off. Probably at least a 1/4 inch of ice. Well guys, we're trying to make it up this icy icy road and not fall off the cliff. And he's trying to back down for the 3rd try. Uh-oh. Whew, that was close. We go down there. He's getting it. Back down we go. Oh yeah. Very good. Oh, there goes a branch falling. Keep having them around here. So much ice in the branches that they just keep breaking and falling off. And there he comes. Up the hill we go, just a flying. Keep going, keep going. The smoke is rolling. Keep going, keep going. That's so close. There he goes. He's just sliding away. All right, we're turned around. We better go the other way. All right, let's see if we catch something. Okay.
So I'm gonna pull this dry, have black dirt in it.
Are you getting stuck? Oh, it got you. Oh, you got out. Like that coat?
Yep. That's deer, right?
Yeah, I think that's deer.
Yeah. A lot of deer droppings in here.
Yeah.
I wonder if there's a better way of getting to it.
This is the sound of ice popping on the trees.
Wait, it isn't raining?
No, it's not raining. It's just ice popping on the trees.
Oh, are you going to eat them?
I'm gonna take them home because I want them.
That's a nice little possum caught in a trap.
I know.
Hi there, buddy. It's good to finally catch something. Oh, is he gonna play dead?
Possum here today. That's something.
Let's shake it a little bit and see if it goes back. It has a lot of weight on it.
There you go.
Help it out. Whee! Well, guys, we've made a full circle and we're back to where we started this morning. See if we make it down the hill.
Ease down. Okay, so seem to have a little grip.
Yeah, at least better.
Yeah, a
Do
lot
I?
better.
Yeah, I can't turn anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely something better.
I think it's melting just enough that it allows it to break through.
And then I'm starting to hit the rocks. But boy, yeah, it's still really slippery.
Yeah, I think we're gonna make it.
I think we'll make it this time.
Yeah.